Hey guys, it's Joey Cuties. So right now I'm still ironing the fabric. See here, this is my iron. This is what we call a fly baby's Onesie. I just done with this ironing this Onesie, this triple SL. Got one Onesie, one diaper pants here. And this one is the Onesie that I haven't ironing yet, so we're gonna iron this right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all of this has been done. Beautifully packed, honestly. And I need to seal this. Of course we're gonna seal it. I need to put a letter and some stickers. This is a dead seal. It's like a hot seal. So back to work. So I just want to say thanks to all of you. I'm so sorry if there is a delay. I'm processing the order because I'm taking time to make sure everything is right. Make sure you got the right things, the best quality possible. And thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. So stay cuties, stay adorable. Have a lovely Tuesday.